Thank you, Mr. Chairman. First of all, I would like to welcome the first Deputy Minister of the Republic of Georgia, Mr. David Zalkalyani, to this meeting and thank him for his presentation. I would also like to thank the UN High Commissioner for his updates on Georgia. Bearing in mind the large-scale violations of human rights generated by the protracted armed conflicts, Azerbaijan has always highlighted the necessity of significant efforts by the UN High Commissioner and Human Rights Council to adequately respond and publicly express serious concern over the violations of human rights of IDPs and refugees, and demand unconditional implementation of the existing UN documents and condemn the perpetrators of the violations. With regard to the armed conflicts in Georgia, the country with which Azerbaijan shares the relations of strategic partnership, we wish to underline that Azerbaijan condemns violent extremism and aggressive separatism and reaffirms its support to independence, sovereignty and territorial integrity of Georgia within its internationally recognized borders. Having experienced a 25 years long history of the occupation of 20% of its territory, accompanied by ethnic cleansing, large-scale massacres and violations of human rights of 1 million Azerbaijani refugees and IDPs, Azerbaijan fully adheres to the solution of all existing conflicts on the basis of norms and principles of international law, in particular territorial integrity, sovereignty and the inviolability of internationally recognized borders. Thank you.
I thank you.